Hey, how's it going, kids? This is Dr. Callahan with week 16 Thursday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up log. Okay, so today we're going to continue our day 3 of calculating standard deviation. So I'm going to take a look at this first page here. The first question says, standard deviation basically allows you to tell you how far on average any point is from the mean. The smaller the deviation, the closer the scores to the mean, and the larger it is, the scores are far away or more spread out. So practice problem number 1 asks us to find the data of the standard deviation, and we're going to calculate this by hand. And this represents the test scores that students had on a test. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, n equals 10 students because there are 10 test scores. And the mean just means you're going to find the sum and divide it by 10. So with your calculators, 22 add to 99, add to 102, 33, 57, 75, 100, 81, 62, and 29, which gives you a sum of something, but my calculator does not want to process that. So I'm thinking, oh, it's because I added. Okay, 660 divided by 10 is 66. So the class average on the test is 66%, which is right around a D. So now I'm going to take those two information, I'm going to put it in this chart. So my test score for this is going to be first was a 22, 99, 102, 33, 57, 75, 100, 81, 62, and 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And then you know that your mean was at a 66. So I'm going to go ahead and take that number and minus 66. Minus 66 on all of them. Okay, which takes us to this next column, which is the difference from the actual test score from the mean. So 22 minus 66, that gives you a negative 44. 99 minus 66 is a 33. 102 minus 66 is a 36. 33 minus 66 is a negative 33. 57 minus 66 is a negative 9. Positive 9. 34. 15. Negative 4. And negative 37. Okay, then from there, our last column says it's just the second column, but with the squared. So, and remember, everything is always going to be a positive number for this. So 44 times 44, or negative 44 times negative 44, is going to give you a positive 1,936. Next one is 1089, 1296, 1089, 81, 81, 1156, 225, 16, and 1369. Okay, so now that I have all of this, you're going to add everything here to find the sum. And you know to find the sum because this signal right here is called sigma, and it just means find the sum. So let's add everything here. So altogether, I get 8,338. That's a sum, okay? But I also need to take this and divide it by the number of students, which is 10. So that's going to give me the variance of 833.8. So then I need to take the square root of that. So I'm going to take the square root of 833.8, which is a standard deviation of 28.87. So this is actually means that the data or the test scores are spread out further apart. And that is your answer. And that makes sense because if you go back to this, you guys, you can see that some people got a 22% on the test. Other people got 102 with extra credit, but then some people dipped all the way down to like a 33% or a 29%, and other people score like 199. So the datas are spread apart. Okay, so after that, I want you guys to take the student survey of your interests. So pause the video and go ahead and do that. Okay, so then what I'm gonna have you guys do is, since you went ahead and did the other one with me, now I want you guys to go ahead and do this one on your own. The data set shows the prices in dollars of cordless phone at an electronics store. I don't know where you can find a cordless phone for 35 bucks, but okay. Okay, so then after that, we're gonna go ahead and practice with the quizzes. Except it's gonna be a Cinco de Mayo version. So I'm gonna have you guys go ahead and work on this one on your own. It's not about math, it's about Cinco de Mayo. So happy Cinco de Mayo, you guys. And then just go to joinmyquiz.com, enter the code 62685642. And when you're done, make sure you tell me what your accuracy is on those quizzes. Okay, lastly is your exit ticket. And your exit ticket is going to be, I haven't created it yet, so give me 1 second. Provide one real life example where you would like standard deviation to be applied. Okay. All right, guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week and take care.